To lead in the AI era, CX leaders must move fast because expectations have never been higher. 83% of consumers say customer experience should be far better than it is today. While AI's promise of hyper-personalization and seamless service once dazzled, many brands still struggle to deliver. The game changer? Agentic AI, AI that can reason and act independently. And powering that is contextual intelligence, AI that understands not just data, but the full customer story, emotion, and intent. Here are the 5 trends every CX leader must know to win in 2026 and beyond. Memory-rich AI means unstoppable personalization at scale. Remembering every detail of your customer's journey so they never have to repeat themselves. 85% of CX leaders agree it's key to creating personalized journeys that build loyalty. Like WeRoad, who used memory-rich AI to resolve 30% of tickets instantly, delighting customers and lifting CSAT. Speed and automation are table stakes now. Customers don't just want instant service, they want instant and accurate resolutions, anytime, anywhere. And 85% of CX leaders warn, unresolved issues drive customers away fast. Customers often have complex issues and want to share it with you in the easiest way possible. They want to mix channels, text, images, video, all without restarting conversations. 76% say this combo makes them more likely to choose one brand over another. And leading organizations like La Bonne Croix are already using multimodal AI to boost customer satisfaction to 80%. 81% of CX leaders say giving every employee the ability to interrogate data will transform decision-making. Promptable analytics combine AI and metrics to give on-demand and context-aware answers. And it's not just how people access data, it's the metrics themselves. New AI metrics are becoming priority number 1 for leading CX organizations. As AI becomes a part of the everyday, people are scrutinizing it like never before. In short, customers demand to know the why behind AI. That's why transparency behind AI decisions earns critical trust. 80% of CX leaders agree and say AI transparency is non-negotiable, but only 37% deliver it today. To lead in CX 2026, embed memory-rich AI, power instant resolutions, support multimodal interactions, harness new analytics, and champion transparent AI. It's time for CX leaders to get contextually intelligent. Let's go.